Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I definitely am still looking at this as three waves up for W, three waves down for an X, and I think it's going to make an ABC of Y, which is three waves up for a wave Y, which I still believe will eventually go up and take out these previous highs. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, first of all, I think this is the A of Y. I think this is a big WXY here also, which is a wave B of Y. And then that would make this a 1. That would make this a big old wave 2. I think this right here is a subdivision of 3, so a 1 of 3. I think this is likely a crescent, a wave 2 of 3. And I think eventually it's going to go up for a wave 3 of 3, which is a 1, 2, 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where I think this is five waves up over here. I think this is very clearly five waves up for wave 1. This looks to me like 1, 2, 3 down, so 3 of A. I think this is 1, 2, 3 up, so 3 of B. And then I think this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for 5 of C. 3, 3, 5 pattern is a flat pattern, and in this case it would be an expanding flat because we have a high wave B, lower low wave C, and most likely a wave 2, and then eventually, not now, but maybe in a week or so, go up for a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this is a wave 1, I think this is a wave 2, I think this is a wave 3, but probably very likely now in a wave 4. If we see 1, 2, 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level, a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside, I definitely will take that as an entry to go short for the wave 5 of wave C, I think is what we're looking at. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we're on the 1 hour time frame, we already got one impulsive up, I think could be a wave A, we got corrective down, I think could be a wave B. I think this right here is an uptrend forming for a wave C. If it goes up to a Fibonacci retracement level, makes a big engulfing move to the downside, especially if you get that break of structure, that is exactly what I would be looking for an entry to go short, probably the end of a wave 4, beginning of a wave 5. This over here should be the wave 3. And I still think it's very likely to be an expanding flat, and we're currently in a wave C of wave 2 on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.